Well, my name is Shawn. I'm from New Hampshire, and I currently work as a clinical project lead and a paramedic. I started off with a large interest in the Boy Scouts, learning first aid, CPR. I got my EMT basic through the National Registry, and from there I just progressed up the ranks all the way to paramedic. So I joined the United States Navy, done everything from working as a personal medical aide for the 41st President of the United States to Afghanistan, various places throughout the states, throughout the world. I just like to help people. I like critical care medicine. I like the ability to think out of the box, trying to figure out what's wrong with somebody and then helping them and then seeing the after effects of, them coming out of the hospital and getting better. The monitors, they have all the different functionalities to monitor all the different vital signs, pulse, blood pressure, cardiac monitoring for your heart, and people with difficulty breathing, which is what, they're seeing right now with COVID-19. So it's an essential piece of gear towards this fight. It's not just, the one group of people that is going to make this go away. It's going to be everybody working together, whether it's medicine or, the grocery store workers. It's a group effort to, make this go away. Teamwork, that's an important thing.